As we all know, the most dangerous virus for humankind is now common today, so let's know the problem to have no problem. There are mainly 7 human coronaviruses. From them, most dangerous types are 229E, OC43, NL63 and HKU1. These 3 have produced much more severe outbreaks. They are MERS, SARS and 2019 nCoV, or novel. This last one is the coronavirus from Wuhan. COVID-19 is not easy to diagnose. The virus can be tested in a laboratory through a real-time PCR, followed by gene fingerprinting. In India, 19 labs are functional to test the novel coronavirus so far. So let's start to know the unknown facts. 1. COVID-19 and SARS-CoV-2 are not the same thing. COVID-19 is a disease. D stands for disease caused by a new coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2 is the name of the virus itself. 2. Over 2 million years of evolution, our immune system has learned to deal with most known infections, but the new coronavirus catches it by surprise. It's so hard to cope with and quite easy to get infected. 3. Nasal and throat swabs are used as specimens for detecting coronavirus. The test takes at least 12 to 24 hours for the confirmation. And let us know more. 4. An ice which is thousands of years before was collected. Scientists found many different kinds of viruses. So before humans there were viruses on this planet. 5. 3 shapes of viruses are detected. Corona is round-shaped and spikes on them. And those spikes look like crown. Corona is Latin word means crown. In 2004 corona was first detected, but it is not so harmful. And let us know more. What is the size of the coronavirus? The coronavirus measures between 0.05 and 0.2 microns in diameter. 1 micron is 1/1,000,000th part of a meter. Hence a N95 mask is needed to protect from 95% chances of infection. Making temporary face mask from tissue paper may not work out against virus. The genome size of coronaviruses ranges from approximately 27,000 to 34,000 bases, the largest among known RNA viruses. 1 base pair of DNA would correspond 650 Daltons base pair. Molecular weight of 1 virus particle alone measures 22 million Daltons. A angstrom is 10 millimicron, or 750 Daltons. How corona splits into 2. Corona is virus, not bacteria. First it will enter into cell and few moments later the cell will explode and lots of viruses will come out. And then they all do the same. It is cyclic process. Instead of all these facts we have to admit virus as it is highly contagious. For example, if you went to movie theater, closed room with air conditioning enough for you to become corona patient. All movie theater will be affected within span of few hours, such as movie run time. How can I check up for the coronavirus in India? If you are having severe symptoms of coronavirus, then you can call up the government helpline number. I think the number might be 104 or 1077, though I am not too sure about that. The government authorities would instruct you on how to get your sample tested.